Ever wondered how to get a perfect, smooth 90-degree curve on a square steel pipe without a pipe bender? Let me show you how. First, we start with precise markings, using a square ruler to draw evenly spaced parallel lines. The number of cuts will determine how smooth your curve looks. Connect those lines to create a series of triangle shapes, because accuracy here is key for a tight fit. Once the cuts are made, gently bend the metal and notice how those gaps close up perfectly to form a radius. Use a magnetic square to ensure you hit that exact 90-degree angle. And there you have it, a professional-looking bend ready for welding. Simple, clean, and effective.